day to $14 billion. With these incredible contributions, we succeeded through our mutual and continuing commitment to deliver one of the largest fundraisers in global health history. And these billions are expected to deliver a 31-fold return on investment. 31-fold return on investment. And in other words, for every dollar to fight these diseases, we expect $31 in health gains and economic returns, which also advances our progress toward meeting the goal of sustainable development agenda. So let's challenge ourselves to keep going, do even more. It's an investment that will save another 20 million lives, reduce mortality from these diseases another 64% in the next 4 years. It will support frontline health workers, improve, and by the way, they deserve special thanks for what they've done, especially when it was much more dangerous than it is today. It will improve surveillance capabilities, build stronger, more resilient health supply chains, and increase innovations to reach those most in need. And it's going to help prevent and respond to gender-based violence and advance sexual and reproductive rights and health outcomes for people around the world. You know, as we work together, the United States will also continue to advance our leadership through our own health investments in PEPFAR, the President's Malaria Initiative, and efforts to fight TB. These investments, working in tandem and further amplifying the work of the Global Fund, have helped turn the HIV/AIDS around and develop the world's first vaccine for malaria. Here in the United States, where almost 1.2 million people are living with HIV, we're implementing our new national HIV/AIDS strategy to accelerate and strengthen our national response to the HIV epidemic. We're putting equity at the core of our efforts. We have to ensure that everyone, no matter who they are, who they love, where they come from, can access care and treatment they need, period. Folks, and that they're treated with the dignity they deserve. Everyone should be able to lead a healthy, productive, and fulfilling life. That's our goal. So thank you all for stepping up, especially in a challenging global economic environment. And I ask you to keep it going. Let's finish this fight together. Now is the moment to accelerate our efforts to reduce health inequities and to address barriers to access, including gender and human rights barriers, to build a more inclusive healthcare systems, to leave no one behind, to end AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria for good. Let's demonstrate our collective power to take on challenges that matter most in people's lives and deliver progress. We have so much to do, so let's get to work. And thank you all for all you're doing. God bless you all.
Mr. President, thank you. At the end of such a momentous event, the word thank you seems kind of inadequate. But for all the millions whose lives will be saved, for the communities where life will be transformed, thank you. So thank you, President Biden, for your outstanding leadership. What's happened today is actually an unparalleled mobilization of resources for global health. We're talking $14.25 billion US without two of the Global Fund's largest donors, who we fully expect to pledge in due course. Thank you also to the presidents of the DRC, Kenya, Rwanda, Senegal, and South Africa for co-hosting the launch of this campaign in February. Thank you to everyone in this room and for all those supporting us from far away, heads of state, ministers, partners, advocates. To our donors, I say thank you. We know these are challenging times, competing demands, fiscal pressures. We know you have gone the extra mile. Thank you to all of you from civil society and communities. Your passion, your determination is an inspiration to us all. Together we can end AIDS, TB, and malaria and make a better world free of the fear and pain of infectious disease, a world where no one is left behind. And today, with your help, we have taken a giant step towards making this happen. And I would now like to invite, joining me and the President on stage for a photo, Ms. Connie Mudenda, President Ursula von der Leyen, President Yoon Suk-yeol, President Emmanuel Macron, Chancellor Olaf Scholz, Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, and Mr. Bill Gates. Mr. Trudeau, Chancellor Scholz. I don't know how to get that thing. Do you know how to do that? Brilliant. A man who knows the technology.
Would everyone please stay seated? Please stay seated. Thank you very much indeed.
Let's stand for one another. Strengthen ourselves. Let's fight these global issues. Let's do it for one another. Let's stand for one another. Strengthen ourselves. Let's fight these global issues. Let's do it for one another. issues. Let's do